And when it said your mama to what to do the new Kikam sign this time around, no, oh, sim registration now, yan juice car. First one, why did you I? What's your form? So what this sim registration? You are just a fool. They can't do you say, me, I'm a one idea. Make send it chassis, what's your penny to need baby, or send me, mamma register me same kind of new year, or to me, need chassis, gentle, niba, two, ni baby, or so on, no, maybe send me register the same card, not in a summer car. May tell them about.
I was a woman in Amakwa by the bag Ghana and CMTV, so Bomber is like video, no best subscribe to the channel, no attend notification there next time. Videos of this channel also submit to my camp. Send me on the piano. If I'm Mr. President, to from Mr. President, and I just somehow say, Padaroma. Now, Bomber is like video, no subscribe to the channel. Come on, my favorite. By chance, you would want to contribute to our studio works, being it sound, internet, lights, everything, but you'll reach out through number and that's it. Yes, I can be there was a pound. So now,
and when it said your mama to what to do the new Kikam sign this time around, no, oh, sim registration now, yan juice car. First one, why did you I? What's your form? So what this sim registration? You are just a fool. They can't do you say, me, I'm a one idea. Make send it chassis, what's your penny to need baby, or send me, mamma register me same kind of new year, or to me, need chassis, gentle, niba, two, need baby. Or so on, no, maybe me register the same card, not in a summer car. May tell them about make sure with damage, na me their retire will be as me don't yan coupon. May can't them the bayon am the ayon. Maybe I don't go when yakola. Mokasi anyway. May register. Dear Modi Baya me na babiano. Change of government about me the mobile cohorts. What was same card? You have a contract with the teller.
Expecting everybody to register, but I believe that every law-abiding citizen who genuinely acquired their SIM card will take advantage of the process to register. And let me just state one thing in addition to what DG said relative to what the CIR will do for us. If you register a SIM card for somebody, and this is because I'm saying this, I want to emphasize on this so that people don't fall victim. Someone will come to you and say, please register for me. Please do not register a SIM card for anybody who is not your dependent. Say maybe your own child or a family member. If you use your SIM, your Ghana card to register a number, and that number is reported as having engaged in fraud, mobile money fraud, and it's investigated and it is found out, the device is going to be blocked, the number is going to be blocked, and the Ghana card is going to be flagged. We've decided to be flexible enough to allow that Ghana card do another registration of a new SIM. But if the same Ghana card is found to be involved in more than one fraudulent registration of a number used in mobile money fraud, that Ghana card will be blocked and barred from being able to register a SIM in the country. I hope you understand what the gravity of it. So if you use your Ghana card to go and register a SIM for somebody, and the person uses your card, that card that they got from your own Ghana card to perpetrate fraud, and we find 2 instances of that, your Ghana card is going to be blocked, which means that you can no longer get telecom services. So please, we are trying to clean up the system for our own selves. And you know, the old man who said, oh, Sam George, I won't do it. It's because of them. Oh, this registration, it's because of our old folks. Oh, it's them that they call Sister Nie, Mazendio. You know, it's important that we protect them. And so that's why we're doing this process. So I beg you, don't register a SIM for anybody. Everybody has a Ghana card. Let them go and register their own. You know, in the previous registration, it was understandable. A lot of people did not have the cards, so people were registering for them. Now everybody has a card. Don't register for anybody. And we've seen registrations where the same Ghana card number has different faces. Different SIMs have been registered with the same Ghana card number. But when you look at the Ghana card that was used in the registration, the name is different. information on the face of the card is different, because what Esla did was simply to use the information on the face of the card, and that can easily be cloned. The only thing that can be cloned is the biometrics. And so this is the first time in our history. Yes, I hear this very loud and clear. People are fed up with having to register and re-register. It's my belief and firm conviction that this will be the final one we will do, because we will do this right. It's taking us a year to plan this. We're doing this with the consumer at the center of it, not a procurement.
Na same registration no. Some of it here, maybe a tremu. You see, you know, and be try a simple from. Now, at your how can say a buy? Okwa na MTN the sea canopy, na ni party ase. Na ye frɛ baako ɛde ɔhaw bae kɔpem sɛ yɛwie yɛyɛ nyinaa sɛ ne anim sɛ Minister of Communications a ɔyɛ SIM registration no na ɔne National Identification Authority penyin no na ɔmo nkasa na ɛkyerɛ sɛ ɔmo ntem ɛnyɛ papa enti sɛ woyɛ SIM registration a was said with the bata national registration home. Send a beya, your phone number. Yet me who says our number ye. A nana suma hinedia. If you say you register, you're the Ghana card at Toso. It is a number no ko ye bibia near Tresia, even who said nana suma hine a number. A rehusam, I want to say, Yanyanisa, they could charge SIM card for keke. HSM for so be any so. And your SIM card registration here, Minister of Communications, Ebayano. Yet the bell link Ghana card. Nasa SIM card, won't mean Ghana card, that's what that. And to be a BCBI, yes, SIM card, no. You be who say, a simesidia, and a way there. Now, I know the way I ever no. And yet, dear. Obekwa yes santene no akotwa card foforo ye de code bi beba wo phone so na akase churowudin enter Ghana card number ene wo bibia ewo sa code no so o enter wia na wamia enter na akọ database no na e de SIM card na bata wo Ghana card no eno ano no enti won call MTN enko ka say me be register me SIM eno so ye free ni aya ne say re-registration na ye be ye no telephone companies no be betuaka enti say registration bia ye 5 cedis a omo no be betua 5 cedis na ma o enti wo dia ne say code no ba wo phone so a na ye erikopoku wo SIM card a no wa chiro erikopoku wo house number wo den on baby sound wo Ghana card ID number now they are shame no amia enter eno ano no wa register na obi a obenya problem any registration no wo na obekọ company no wakoka say me SIM card nie but me register emfa ana say na ye me papa SIM card nso afa me na me use enti mpesa me sesa registration no ekomidim ebia na umame ewo phone ena owuja ho ena wo na wo use phone no enti wo be kwa register na SIM no ewo wudi mu.
So find a way. You are young enough, you are smart enough, find a way. At least we know that when it comes to creating chaos, you are good at it. But find a solution. You need to find a solution to this one. And it's not to no, I'm saying so because I'm saying so because you see
you could have said this without necessarily having to
I
go
take
there.
it back. But when I sit here and I realize what Sam George put
Sad story now, Mama said, my sister, it's not our business. You see, you people cannot fuck up and be punishing we the citizens. You taste? Whatever happened with the system, it is not our fault. And the telecos, let me warn you. Samufu say, I might be able to the story, Baba. Nama ba be register here. I am not a citizen. I am only chasing. I am mama who can kind. I am mama am buano. I'm not a citizen. I am Mama Kwasiano. Oh, Mamma and the dress is a class sports stadium. No, I'm not a citizen. I'm not a citizen. Me your papa Jimmy Fono. Oh, papa Kwasiano, papa, you did the truth. And son, when you be an mamma, me a buone dino. On a me. Yen to us. Some more telecos, no. Moya margin say. More bets nasi. NDC bombs here, my SIM registration here register. NPP bar SIM registration here register. May register. The amount of me number biano. Change of government bar me the mobile courts. Say the NDC for Babuamo. Men so my by meba. Maximum could travel damage. Many money are contract no. Tia, what are for empty? Many money are contract no. Ghana card and remember said your mama to the new Mukikan. Sign this time around, no. Oh, quite SIM registration now. Yan Juska. First one I acquire no. Why the tia? First SIM registration acquire no. Why the tia? What's your form? So what about this SIM registration? You are just a fool. They can't do you who say. They can't do you who say. Let me play some George's voice. Yeah. You people can go to bloody hell and eat toilets. Yeah. Sam George has small car. I want to do a Ghana card. It is my Ghanaian passport. No, I don't. And I've not registered my SIM card. I've not registered? No. And that's why I said I was waiting to see how on the 1st of April my card would be deactivated. I wanted to see how that would have happened in this country. Because you see, it makes absolutely no sense. Because you know what? Yani for any Vodafone for you no more existing contract. Now, if I have a contract with you and you want to amend the contract, I was saying it's not a one-way situation. They cannot do who take to anybody's SIM card. And nobody should waste their bloody fucking time for that nonsense. We have what was SIM card? You have a contract with the telcos. Me I met one idea. Me send it chassis. Kwasi ampeni to ni babia. Or say me, mama register me SIM card no new year or to me. Ni chassis jantle ni ba two ni babia. Or so no me se me register me SIM card. No the nesabe can. Me chain my baba. Me sha with damage na me dey retire wo wi ase me do nyankopon. Me ka dem de be ya onam de ayo. Me do go bani akola. And so disconnecting now for all the years it stays disconnected. I'm sure you are willing to pay me for that money. Metia Oka, you call for SIM registration. I came. I sat down. MTN, me my marriage was alive the whole day. And you me so the next day. You think, sir, yeah, Jimmy. Monya de mobile bia, ampo na wuni, monya de mobile bia. Dem sorrow. Monya de mobile bia, awu mi abo. Monya de mobile bia. Na telecom ni o se ne second kind. Enfane san kame card. Aboa yarefo kwasia baby. Enfane san kame numbers be 12 no. Na mo bete panya. Se ba ku bia kwa meje $1 million so so a. $7 million. I am done. I have an existing contract with you. Did I register my card? Motherfucker, yes. Is it my fault that you people made a mistake? I don't fucking care. Your problems will not be my problems. The government's mistake will not be my headache. Your stupid internal politics will not be my problem. You test? And me and my household, we are not coming to register that SIM card. Let's see how any telco will disconnect anybody's number. We will see it. We will test the laws when they change the Chief Justice. Muni Chasri. And I'm going to say you pay more than 20 million Ghanaians. Mubetia mo I'm warning you, the telecos. Nobody has that stupid business with you. Sam George and Kwasi Asemna or Kano. Sam George is an autistic parliamentarian, you know. You see, Ghana is a country that we are inclusive, all inclusive. And Sam George, you know, on the end, then you saw autistic. But he's the first autistic person to be in parliament. He is there to make history for the autistic community, not to make sense. Let's get this straight.